Hello everybody, and we're here to take a look at this new set that I bought. Sorry, I'm trying to put my microphone on here. We're going to do this Mobray Cateye gel set. Soak off gel polish, 8 millimeters, which is 0.27 fluid ounces. It came with a magnet and a group of colors that you can buy. And this booklet as well. Yeah, so we're going to, I think I do them on black nail polish, and I use different magnets, not just the one that came with it. I believe I use ones that are a bunch of different. It comes with, I believe, let me see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different polishes. And I believe one is a top coat, one is a bottom coat, and one's a black. And then the other 4 or 5 are different colors. I can't quite remember. But here I am taking the black that came with it and putting it on and curing it. And I believe I do that to all the colors as we go. So I will just put some music here, I think. So here I'm checking, and it's 8 bottles, like I said earlier, and one I believe is black, one is top coat, and one is a base coat. And it comes with one magnet, and I use that magnet and some other ones. I think that's what I'm doing right now, is getting other magnets to use. Just try it out to see if they'll all move around and do different things. It's supposed to feel. Here I am just putting a second coat of the black on, because the first coat, as you can see on some of them there, that it's quite thin and see-through. It's almost transparent kind. And I wanted it a little bit darker than it actually was. So, it's not that bad of a black, but yeah, there's better blacks out there than that one. Once you get the second coat on it, it's pretty good though. here I am showing you the colors of the Mobray Cateye, and I'm not exactly sure what colors I'm showing you right now, so I'm just going to give you the numbers. It's M3D2, M3D4, M3D7, M3D8, M3D10, M311, and then, like I said, there's, I thought it was a top coat, but it's a bond gel. And then there is the color gel, which is the black color. Oh, there we go. I'm pointing out some of the letters now, what go with what colors. Let me look at them right now. This M32, what is she looking at? She looked at the green one. This one is M304, I think, which is a pinkish purple. Doesn't look like that on the screen. So let's see what we can do with that. Okay, so here's the other ones. Not sure what one this one is. I couldn't see it. But yeah. There's like the pinkish purple and then another purple, like a purple. And then there's the green, which was number 7. And number 8 is like another purplish blue and a goldish yellow kind one for number 10. And number 11 is a bluish color. They got a few different colors in them. Yeah. So here I am with the 2 magnets. Just wait for this stuff to cure so we can mix around. Okay, so this is where I'm reading the instructions to see what the next step is, and I believe it's supposed to dry. I don't think it's supposed to be sticky, so I'm putting them back in to completely dry because they came out sticky. And I don't think they actually, I can't remember if they actually fully cured or not. But we'll see together after this. Here I am shaking up one of the cat's eyes to get it ready and just impatiently waiting for them to be dry. desktop, and I'm learning how to use completely the desktop. I haven't used a desktop for editing in like years. I've been doing it all on my phone. So the phone is different than, like, the phone is all like quick shortcuts and stuff that they give you, and on the computer they make everything 10 times just more difficult to find anything. And yeah, so I had the pan in earlier for the Zoom and can't figure out how to undo the Zoom and then pan back into a different spot in the Zoom because it just keeps saying different close. But anyways, here it is. I did I sent it to the middle. I did the magnet from the top and the bottom, and I believe that is the green. It kind of looks like the green. And I have to say that these do work really well. Yeah, let me see. I'm gonna get out the I'm getting out the swatches now to refresh my memory. Okay, here they are. Yes, these did turn out very bright and colorful. You could probably get more colorful out there, but yes, I believe that's the green I'm working with right now. It might be a different color. I'm not exactly sure. They are all very bright, and I only did them on the black. I didn't do them on any other colors. Like, I'm sure you could probably put them on like a red or beige or a white and maybe a fluorescent color, and then try it off of a fluorescent color. Now that I'm saying it, I kind of want to try it. My favorite one out of it is the dark blue and the yellow, or gold you would call it. And I believe the pink. I like the pink one too. They're all nice colors. I haven't used them other than doing the swatches. And I think I'm doing the pink one right now. Yeah, that's the pink one because that's what I ended up with at the end, I believe, with the stripes. I did 2 stripes or something like that. So yeah. So, yep. Wait, it's so blurry. Why is that camera not focusing? I don't know. Oh, now I'm doing it in the center. That might be the gold one. I believe the gold one is the only one besides, okay, I did purple. I did a purple center and a gold center. Interesting. It's so interesting to watch your own stuff, as time's gone by, to see what you're actually done. Yeah, so, Alright, well, here's me putting color on and doing the magnets. So I'm gonna probably fast forward and turn on some music, because I don't have much else to say other than they're vibrant, they're easy to work with, and I'm tempted to use them on some neon colors and see how they turn out. this is the green one, which is M3D7. Very pretty. Then the next one is M3D4, which is the pink one. The next one is like a pinkish purple, which is M3D2. Very pretty. Next one is blue, which is M3D11, which I find very gorgeous. And these colors are not coming in on the screen. And the next one is gold, the M3D10. And the last one would be the M3D8, which is a purplish blue. And these colors are all gorgeous. And like I said, my camera is not picking these up. So obviously I have to collaborate, you know,